Hello everybody, my name is Christoph. Welcome back to LE DIY and How to Serious video. Today we are going to learn how to install a floodlight. Installation step of regular floodlight.
Please check the product manual for details. Turn off the main power or the power for the installation. After fixing the light components, connect the wires according to the mark of the fire wire, the zero wire and the ground wire. After the light wires are connected, adjust the projection angle of the light using the open end wrench. After the installation, please turn the switch on and test whether the light is on. If so, the installation is complete.
Installation steps of motion sensor floodlight.
Turn off the main power or the power for the installation. After the light wires are connected, adjust the lighting, time and distance knob on the sensor head. And adjust the projection angle of the lamp through the open end wrench. After the installation, please turn the switch on and set a distance and test the light by letting people walk around. If the light can be turned on and turned off at the same time, then the installation is complete.
Installation step of RGB floodlight.
Insert the plug into a power strip or a socket on the wall. After the installation, please turn the switch on. Use the remote control to control the light on and off. The installation is complete if the light follows the control.
If you want to keep the floodlight more stable or keep it from being taken away, you can fix it to the ground or the wall.
Tools: open end wrench, electric screwdriver, impact drill and hammer. Make a punch mark on the surface to be installed. Select appropriate drill bit, punch a hole with the impact drill and knock the expansion screw into the hole first. Take out the light components align the mounting hole of the light bracket with the punched hole. Fix the bracket by inserting the self-tapping screw with the power screwdriver. If the expansion bolt is used, align the bracket mounting hole with the bolt and tighten the nut with an open end wrench. The installation is complete. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to get lots more home DIY knowledge and save thousands of dollars.